Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ChatGPT for Teams with SSO step by step clearly. To install ChatGPT for Teams with single sign-on, begin by navigating to your Microsoft Teams application. Ensure you are logged in with the appropriate administrative credentials. Open the Teams App Store by clicking on the app's icon located on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter to locate the application. Once you find ChatGPT, click on it to access the application's details page. Review the app description and features to ensure it meets your needs. Click the Install button to start the installation process. After the installation is complete, go to the Teams Admin Center by opening your browser and navigating to admin.teams.microsoft.com. Sign in with your admin credentials if prompted. In the left sidebar, select Teams Apps, then click on Manage Apps. Locate ChatGPT in the list of installed applications and click on it. Ensure the application status is set to Allowed to enable users to access it. Next, navigate back to Teams Apps and select Permission Policies. Create a new permission policy or edit an existing one to include ChatGPT. Assign the updated policy to the users or groups who will need access to ChatGPT. Now, configure SSO settings for ChatGPT by going to the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Log in with your Azure admin credentials. In the Azure portal, search for Enterprise Applications in the top search bar and select it. Find and click on the ChatGPT application in the list. In the ChatGPT settings, select Single Sign-On from the left menu. Choose the SAML option for the single sign-on method. Fill in the necessary fields such as identifier, reply URL, and sign-on URL as provided by the ChatGPT documentation. Download the necessary SAML signing certificate if required. Next, set up user attributes and claims according to the ChatGPT instructions. After configuring SSO, save your changes and exit the Azure portal. Return to Microsoft Teams and inform your users about the newly installed ChatGPT app. Encourage them to sign in using their company credentials to access ChatGPT. Congratulations, you have successfully installed ChatGPT for Teams with SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.